Improving and maintaining sleep. Something each one of us needs but often struggles with is a good night's sleep. Sleep is just as important as food and exercise. It helps our body repair itself, keeps our mind sharp, and supports emotional well being. But as we grow older, many people find that their sleep becomes lighter, shorter, or even more disturbed. In India, more than 50% of elderly report poor sleep quality. Some of the common issues related to sleep are difficulty falling asleep, waking up too early, or not feeling refreshed even after sleeping through the night. These changes may not be serious medical conditions, but they can still affect your mood, energy, memory, and overall quality of life. The good news is these sleep challenges can be managed. With simple lifestyle changes, healthy routines, and the right support, restful sleep is possible at any age. In this section, we will explore some strategies to improve and maintain good quality sleep.